I am so frustrated with what's happening in our country. And I'm gonna start by saying, Pilipinas, hanggang dito na lang ba tayo? Is this the best we could do?
Todo na ba to?
Is it our fault? Is it their fault? I think lahat tayo siguro may kasalanan some way, somehow.
Kung ba tayo umabot dito, no?
Bakit tayo umabot sa feeling ko napakakawawa ng bansa natin.
Napakagulo.
Lahat.
Right? Magulo. Kanya-kanyang paksyon, kanya-kanyang personal interest. Ang laging kawawa tayo.
And you know what's happening because of that? I was just watching the news last night. May mga lugar na walang tubig.
Exactly.
Walang
May binabaha.
kuryente. Binabaha. Tapos lahat sila pinagkakaabalahan mga talagang politics is showbiz for these people. It's just a show. It's a shit show. Welcome to the podcast. This is Lecheng Pag-ibig to. Before we proceed, please click subscribe and follow. We're on YouTube. We're on Spotify. Thank you for listening to the podcast. Sorry, we were not supposed to record today, but we are just so frustrated sa nangyayari sa Pilipinas.
Alam niyo, hindi pumayag si Sam na hindi matuloy yung recording. Alauna pa recording namin, 11:00 nandito na siya.
Tsaka kakauwi ko lang ng
Lahat na
Pilipinas.
pwedeng gawin, ginawa niya.
Kakauwi ko na ng Pilipinas. Sabi ko, kailangan talaga natin gawin to kasi
Tsaka
mainit.
kailangan ma-out mo yung nafe-feel mo. Kasi parang, I don't know if, napag-uusapan niyo ng mga friends niyo to.
Of
Ng
course.
asawa mo for sure.
Of course.
Hindi lang kayo yung frustrated. I think everyone's frustrated. Meron ba masaya sa nangyayari ngayon sa Pilipinas? Iisa-isahin ko sa inyo kung ano nangyari the past week.
Fire.
Habang ikaw nasa ibang bansa at nag-e-enjoy.
Oh, hindi
dito
rin,
sa
puro-
Pilipinas. Trabaho
puro
ka pala.
trabaho rin,
Trabaho
oh.
ka pa rin. So, dito sa Pilipinas, ang gulo ng nangyari last week. So, May 11,
Okay.
Monday, bumalik si Bato sa Senado after ilang months niyang absent. So,
Okay.
November last year siya huling nagpakita
Mhm.
sa Senado kasi ang balita, meron ng ICC arrest warrant for him.
Can I just ask, I'm sure you'd know better since you're
Sana alam ko
in
yung
the news
sagot.
department. Ano ba ang allowed leaves ng isang senator? Would you know? Or
Wala silang ganon. Like anytime pwede.
So you're telling me this guy took off, is not doing his job, is getting paid or whatever. So we elected him and he's not doing his job. And he just took a leave.
At sumusweldo siya. Lahat yun sagot, lahat yes ang sagot. Can I just say, ang sabi naman ni Senator Bato,
Sorry,
in all
I'll check
fairness,
if Philippine
Okay.
senators are allowed to
So
take leaves.
anyway, last November or October 2025, if I'm not mistaken, November to 2025, huli siyang nagpakita sa Senado. Isa yan sa naging usap-usapan, binatikos siya, nakikriticize siya, papi, kasi sumusweldo pa rin siya, even if
Correct.
wala siya sa Senate. Pero, nakausap namin siya, and according to him, kahit naman daw absent siya, kahit hindi siya physically present sa Senate, ginagawa pa rin, tuloy pa rin yung trabaho niya. Yung staff niya are there. Alam naman natin, itong ating mga kagalang-galang na mambabatas, Senado po yan, at sa Congress, may mga staff ito.
Yes.
At marami siyang staff. Criticize din si Bato kasi I think, karamihan ng staff niya, puro kamag-anak niya. Na tayo din
What
syempre
the
ang nagpapasweldo.
fuck?
Hindi yun bawal sa
Ano
Senado.
to, family business?
Wait lang
I'm not surprised.
Okay,
Sorry. Oh.
hindi to bawal. Allowed siya. Sabi nga ni Senator Bato, nung tinanong ko yun sa kanya, hindi lang, inaamin ko yan, pero hindi naman bawal yan. Wala akong nilalabag na batas. At
Okay.
hindi lang siya ang senador na ang staff ay mga kamag-anak. Ang chief of staff niya na sumusweldo roughly around 200,000 pesos per month
Mhm.
ay anak niya.
No shit.
Oo nga!
No shit.
Yes! Nasa May 11 pa lang tayo, papi.
Sorry.
Oo.
How am I getting the feeling na parang yung sistema natin binuo para
Masaya sila.
i-protect ang politicians and people who are in power? That's what I'm feeling right now.
Una,
The
sila
system is built, the laws are built,
For
so
them?
they are protected. Kasi ito, di ba, no anti-dynasty law, whatever.
wala tayo nun eh. Oo.
It's okay. Pero hindi kayo pwedeng dapat, di ba?
Hindi naman bawal eh. Kunyari, ikaw nagsenador ka, gusto mong gawing chief of staff si Esa. Ako, nag-congresswoman ako, gusto kong gawing chief of staff yung anak ko or asawa ko. Hindi siya pinagbabawal ng batas. Pwede talaga.
Yun nga. So it's developed.
And I think kahit ilang staff, pwede sila kumuha.
Wow. Okay, let me just get to the absences here.
Sige na,
Okay.
tingnan mo ano sabi.
Well, there are no
See, I told you.
no fixed number of leave days for senators.
No.
Unlike regular government employees meron.
Yes. For
Okay.
employees.
Because senators are elected officials, not regular civil service employees.
So this is both for the lower and the upper chamber.
Correct.
Pwede sila mag-leave. Kaya technically, kahit sumusweldo si Bato, wala naman siya nalalabag na batas eh.
That is fucking crazy.
Again, ang sabi niya, nung nakausap namin siya, tuloy ang trabaho ng kanyang opisina. At saka in all fairness, the guy told us, me and Sir Ted, nung kausap namin siya, sabi niya, yung sweldo daw niya nung mga panahon na wala siya, yung chief of staff niya yung kukuha, pero dinodonate daw dun sa mga lugar na kung saan may nangangailangan.
Okay.
Okay, anyway.
Senate practice does not
Nawindang na si Papi doon pa lang sa May 11.
apply a no work,
Wala
no
nga.
pay rule. So, you know why I'm asking? Because that's the first question I asked sa podcast.
Tsaka-
Sino ba may kasalanan? Di parang tayo rin.
Hindi tayo, kasi sino ba gumagawa ng batas?
O
It's
sino ba
them.
inelect natin?
Ang gumagawa ng batas are the Congress and the Senator. Sino nagpapasa? Sila, di ba? So kung gusto nating ipagbawal ang kamag-anak bilang mga staff ng mga kagalang-galang natin mambabatas, di magpasa sila ng batas, pagbawal nila yun, gawa sila ng rules, bawal yun. At saka gumawa sila kung sa normal na empleyado, 15 days lang ang paid leave, dapat sa kanila din.
But since we
At
voted
saka
for them,
di ba pag may tardiness, binabawasan yung sweldo natin? Wala
Ah.
silang ganun.
grabe, number one, sa private sector, di ba? I remember when I used to work sa corporate, every 5 minutes, talagang prorated sa sweldo mo.
Ako hanggang ngayon, pag lumampas ng 15 days sa isang taon ng leave ko, di na ako bayad.
But since tayo nag-elect and they are not regular employees, now it makes sense. Ngayon ko na inisip, bakit minsan may mga congressman, may mga
Tagal
senator,
nawawala. Ngayon wala
kung
nakita.
makabakasyon,
I know.
girl,
Girl, sa sweldo sila kahit 2 months silang wala.
yun nga, parang states
At
ng,
sasabihin lang nila na tuloy naman ang trabaho sa opisina ko.
states ng 2 months, and makes me wonder, how can they not just afford, how can they be gone for so long and say, wait, I'm a Philippine lawmaker? It's because,
Nag-iisip ka na ba ng party list? Ang sarap
Dati ko
maging
pa gusto.
magbabatas, di ba?
di ba kung ito lang gagawin natin, Diyos ko.
Nasa first day pa lang tayo, na-stress na agad si Sam.
So he comes
It's
back.
just so unfair, right?
It is very
It's
unfair.
so unfair for us who are working so hard, hindi na tayo halos nagpapahinga. Tipid, ako like personally, tipid na tipid ko yung leave ko. Kanina lang off-cam, we were talking about, Papi, meron kaming bakasyon, pero ako usually pag nagbabakasyon ako, kahit gaano kalayo yan, dapat 15 days lang or 10 days lang. Kasi tinitipid mo kasi nga, gusto mo paid ka eh, pag aalis ka. Yung mga susunod na leave mo na hindi nakasama sa paid leave, wala, no work, no pay ka.
Ang sarap maging politician.
Yes, only in the Philippines. I think in other countries, baka ganun din. I don't know.
No, I think there should be a number of days. Sige, okay lang, paid ka, paid leave, whatever. Pero,
Ilang
Pero,
araw dapat?
oo, may
Mag-propose
may-
na tayo, baka nakikinig sila sa
may
atin.
deadline naman sana.
O,
Huwag naman
sige.
parang ilang buwan siya nawala.
Guys.
Sorry, ilang buwan siya nawala.
6 months. November siya huli nagpakita
Grabe.
eh. Tapos wala na siya
Grabe.
ulit ngayon sa Senate ha.
I know. Because
Oh,
he left
yeah.
the same day just para lang bumoto, tama ba? That's
O,
why he
ito
went to
na.
work. Oh.
Nasa May 11 tayo. Ito yung mga nangyari last week. May 12, nanatili si Senator Bato sa loob mismo ng Senado. Binigyan siya ng Senate Protective Custody para hindi siya maaresto ng NBI or ng any government agency para hindi matulad sa nangyari kay dating Pangulong Duterte na dinala sa The Hague. Kasi nga meron ng ICC arrest warrant
This
for
is
him.
confirmed.
Confirm, meron na. Nakapost
Okay.
na sa website ng ICC.
Isn't the debate whether this ICC warrant
Is
can
valid.
be served in the Philippines just because we are under the Supreme Court law?
Depende kasi kung nasang banda ka eh. Pag abogado ko na pro Bato, sasabihin ko kailangan mo ng local court warrant pa.
But Duterte was picked up nonetheless.
Nang walang local court warrant.
Oh.
Balikan natin. Pero kasi ang sinasabi ng lahat na abogado na nakakausap namin sa show is hindi na kailangan ng local court warrant because we have a Republic Act 9851
Which
that it
is,
states there na pagka may isang tao na meron ng arrest warrant sa international court,
kasi
pwede na siya
crimes against humanity to.
This is not an ordinary
Yes,
crime. This is
correct.
crimes against humanity.
Mhm.
Pwede na siya ipadala kung makikipagtulungan ang Pilipinas.
Correct. Which in my opinion,
Ang dapat mag-implement nun is government agencies natin dito. Executive branch.
kasi imagine also, if balik rin natin ang sitwasyon, di ba? Merong isang taong
Normal na tao.
nagtatago sa, let's say, ibang bansa or sa Philippines, di ba? Na international criminal madaming pinatay na tao, tapos dito nagtago. Let's say, nagtago sa isang island sa Philippines. Hindi ba dapat natin tulungan ng international courts para hanapin yung taong yun?
Matanong ko lang, yung taong ba yan ay foreigner or Pinoy?
Foreigner.
Foreigner.
Let's say, I'm, kunyari, I am from
foreigner.
Yugoslavia, or I'm Indian, di ba? Tapos yan, dami kong ginawang kalokohan sa crimes against humanity. Pero nagtago ako sa Philippines, biglang puntang Palawan, isang island doon. Do you think that it's fair na
Yugoslavia ha, yung foreigner, taga Yugoslavia.
Yugoslavia.
Yun talaga yung pinahirapan mo pa
na.
kami ha.
Oh, di ba?
Kung meron tayong treaty with Yugoslavia and then yung international police makikipag-coordinate sa atin, pwede tayo makipagtulungan para hanapin yung foreigner na yan, papadala natin sa ibang bansa. Pero kasi, nagigets ko yung point mo eh. If nangyari to sa ordinaryong tao, well, is it, yung custody na yun, ibibigay din ba natin sa kanila? Yung protection na yun, maibibigay din ba natin sa kanila?
This is where politics really comes in. The power of a politician.
Sabi ko nga sa'yo kanina, well, iba-iba yan. Depende sa mga abogado makakausap mo. Kung bato na abogado, I'm sure ang isasagot, kailangan ng local court warrant. Which actually pwedeng gawin ng executive kung gusto talaga nila ipadala si Bato. Pwede naman eh. Pwede sila pumunta sa isang local court kahit saan pa yan, kumuha ng warrant para mahuli si Bato. Pero I think kasi medyo namamangka rin sa dalawang ilog yung iba nating mga government officials kasi kita nila yung lakas ng DDS when it comes to vote. Kaya takot din sila agad na gawin yun kung sakali.
To go against, that's what I'm feeling. And he, correct me if I'm wrong, he went back to work on that day just to vote kasi magkaka-impeachment.
Yes. At si Alan Peter Cayetano, our Senate President now, hindi ko lang alam kung pag na-air natin to on Friday, siya pa rin yung Senate President kasi may umuugo ngayon, napapalitan daw ni Cheese. Anyway, ayun nga, ang sinasabi is si Alan ang nakipag-usap sa kanya para kailangan ka dito kasi may change in leadership.
Pakita ka. Kasi kailangan ko yung vote mo.
I asked him that. Sabi ko, sinong tumawag sa'yo? Sinabi niya, Senator Alan. Doon nga daw sa kotse niya yata sumakay, papasok ng Senado. Oo. So, May 13, eto na yung mawindang ka. Nasaan ka nitong May 13?
Hindi ko maalala. Baka nasa Indonesia.
Okay. Ito na yung lockdown, putukan sa Senado. Na pinag-uusapan pa rin hanggang ngayon.
This I know about kasi it was crazy. It was so crazy but it was so stupid. I'm so sorry to say this.
Why stupid?
Kasi parang for what? Parang,
sinong stupid sa kanila doon?
Sa akin, yung nangyari.
Okay.
Yung nangyari. Of course, everybody has their own defense.
Tama.
We were under attack or not under attack. I was catching the news yesterday.
I mean like, based on what you know, under attack nga ba tayo?
Based on what I know, no. Hindi, I wouldn't consider
Buti na lang hindi fake news yung mga nababasa mo.
it under attack. Kasi parang, number one, wala namang in-attack na person per se. Diba? Yes, there were gunshots fired. Could be fired by anyone at any time. Pero wala naman particularly na in-atake or it wasn't really a coup or anything like that.
Okay, anong nangyari kasi nung May 13, may mga bali-balita na huhulihin na dapat si Bato.
Okay.
Which is dinedeny ng executive. Kaya daw nasa GSIS building. Magkakonect kasi yan, Papi. Yes. For those of you who don't know, Senate building, GSIS, nagre-rent si Senate sa GSIS.
Okay.
So may isang door na nagkokonekta sa kanila.
Oh. Nice.
Galing, di ba?
The plot thickens, ha?
Hulaan mo kung sino may hawak ng susi, galing ka ng Senado, pwede kang lumabas papuntang GSIS.
Si Bato?
Hindi!
Sino?
Yung Sergeant at Arms. O, si Aplaska.
Okay.
Siya yung may hawak. Nakahapon lang na-reveal sa press ko. Siya yung may hawak ng susi.
Hawak niya ang beat.
Hawak niya ang key.
Ang key.
Hawak niya
siya
ang
ang
key.
keykeeper.
Siya ang keykeeper.
Okay.
Aplaska is the keykeeper.
At bakit siya may susi na ganito? Kasi in case magkagulo.
Parang the only, nasa Senado talaga eh. Yung door, papasok ng GSIS, yung key nun, nasa Senado.
Okay, sige. So,
okay, anyway, nung time na yon may maugong na yung chismis na aarestuhin si Bato. So, nagpadala ng NBI agent sa GSIS office sa request ni Wick Veloso, which is the GSIS head. Pero ang sinasabi nila, not for Bato. It's for the premises dahil may bilyong-bilyong piso daw
na art.
Na art sa loob ng GSIS. Correct. Natakot sila sa panawagan ni Bato na mag-people power na tayo. Natakot sila na baka sumugod dun yung mga tao.
Masira yung natin, natitirang millions natin in art. Masunog pa.
Sa isip-isip ko, ba't mo ni-reveal, John Vic?
Mm.
Baka may masamang loob pang pumunta dyan para nakawin yung mga paintings. Anyway, so yun yung nangyari. Pero hindi ako personally naniniwala na it's for the paintings. Hindi rin kasi nila inaawin that they were there to arrest Bato. Ang iniisip ko kasi, nakatunog sila, natatakas si Bato. Kaya sasaraduhan nila yung pinto from Senado papuntang GSIS. Kaya nga nagkaroon ng binabarena. Naalala mo sa news? May binabarenang pinto. Yung pinto yun, ang nagbabarena are the GSIS maintenance.
Okay.
Kasi siguro natunugan nila nalalabas si Bato ng Senado.
Through that door.
Through that door.
Okay.
And then kahapon sa press con, lumabas na si Aplaska bumabaril nang wala namang tao. So just bumabaril.
Why?
Hindi ko alam, baka may nakikita siyang di natin nakikita. Okay, May 3rd.
Ito yung gunshots fired in the
Yes.
Senate.
Na we are under attack. Napanood mo yung live ni
Y-
Cayetano?
Yes,
Ni,
I'm gonna comment on that. Sorry.
I wanna know your comments. Sige.
That's when I really felt na parang ano to, sinashowbiz na lang tayo.
Nino.
Itong mga senators, Cayetano, Amy, sorry, I'm not
Yung
also...
mga nag-live.
Mga nag-live, parang, may oras pa kayo mag-live. Diba? Parang ginawa niyo pang drama to. Parang there were other senators also in the building who were just quiet.
Yeah.
You know, if it's really an emergency situation, may
nakapatay yung ilaw.
Facebook live ka?
Pareho tayo na naisip.
Seryoso ba?
Tinawagan naman daw nila, parang sinasabi ni SP Cayetano, that's the only way na lang daw to
Get the word out.
Yeah, get the word out na we are under attack.
Okay.
Napanood mo yung interview niya na nagagalit siya sa reporter.
Oo.
The Senate
Was under
is
attack?
under attack. Na parang kasalanan pa nung reporter na nagtanong, ano?
Oo.
Oo, na ngayon tinatanong, pwede daw bang i-ethics complaint si SP Cayetano dahil nagalit siya? Kasi di ba si Robin na butthurt
Correct.
dun sa on the floor ni Kiko Pangilinan.
Mhm.
All happened in the same day. May 12 pala yun. May
Grabe,
12, bago yung putukan.
Ang
Oh yeah, I think it's May 13.
puro drama. Puro drama na nakaka-frustrate. Yun nga kaya sinabi ko, parang kawawa tayo. We deserve so much better than all this bullshit.
Hindi pa tapos. May 14, confirmed na wala na sa Senado si Bato. At ngayon, ang balita, sumakay daw sa sasakyan ni Senator Robin Hood Padilla, yung sasakyan na puting Fortuner.
Regardless of how he escaped or whatnot, well, like, I was pretty sure he was gonna
I
escape.
wanna know your thoughts kasi may mga nagsasabi, parang stage daw yung nangyaring barilan.
To distract people.
To distract
Parang
people.
smoke screen.
Yun
Gawa
nga,
tayo ng ano dito.
That's the exact term na ginamit ni Erwin Tulfo. Parang smoke screen ng paglabas.
That's what I'm understanding it to be right now.
You feel like it's...
Because of all the days that this could happen, bakit nung araw na yun?
Mhm.
Everything is staged. Everything is just parang,
You feel like it's staged? Sabi nila, hindi naman daw.
well, maybe not staged, but parang I think everybody played a role to make this scenario what it is for everything to happen. Kung sino man nagpapatok ng baril, ba't nagkagulo, 'di ba? Anong oras tumakas, nagpatay ng ilaw. Lahat to, pero napapansin mo, only in the Philippines. Only in the
Uy,
Philippines.
pinag-uusapan tayo sa ibang bansa.
Yun na nga kasi, kaya nga I'm saying,
Sikat na sikat tayo pero sa hindi magandang paraan.
is this the best we could do? Na nakakahiya. Sa akin nakakahiya.
Ano pinag-uusapan ng mga tao na nasa ibang bansa ka? Mga kapwa mo Pinoy, may naririnig ka ba about what's happening in the
nakatakas
country?
to, ganyan. Parang it's becoming, sorry to say this, ayan, puro artista binoto nyo. Ayan tuloy, meron na tayong action series.
Kinabog
Seryoso.
yung Netflix, papi,
Oh,
no?
diba? That's exactly what's happening. It's looking like a TV show, a stage TV show.
Did you ever think na aabot tayo sa ganito? Kasi first time in history na may nangyaring ganun sa Senate.
Ako nandidiri ako. I feel so bad na sa dinami-dami ng kurakot na nangyayari, ninanakawan tayo, we pay so much taxes, mamalit ka sa tax, ang laki ng penalty na babayaran mo, and this is the bullshit we're getting?
Hindi
Oh,
na sosolusyonan yung inflation,
Yeah, because there's always,
tumataas yung dollar,
because there's always,
yung oil crisis.
paano makakabawi yung dollar, yung peso sa dollar ngayon with what's happening, that everybody sees that it's a shit show. Na parang isang circus lang yung nangyayari. Tell me who would actually want
would
to
invest
in the Philippines. Okay dyan. Hindi. Yung mga tao yan, ginagagulan nila yung mga citizens nila.
And iniisip kasi ng ibang tao yung nangyayari sa politics, walang kinalaman sa pagbagsak ng ekonomiya natin.
Everything is
No.
connected. Everything is connected.
No.
This, and I'm also gonna say this. Doesn't matter if you're rich, you're poor.
Yeah.
No, with what's happening right now, bagsakang economy. Even the rich, the businesses
They're
are going
tightening
down,
their belts.
tightening their belts. Jobs are being lost.
And job security nating lahat, hindi
Yes.
sigurado ngayon.
Diba? Job security is in trouble. Tingin mo, sige, kahit mayaman ka, you can have like a nice Mercedes-Benz, whatever, drive a nice car, a BMW, pero we're also gonna be stuck in the same traffic
I
light.
know.
We're gonna also gonna be, nakatira ka sa mansyon, sige, sa Dasma, sa First, pagkalabas mo, ganun din, pare-pareho lang tayo lahat, kawawa.
Sakto yan sinasabi mo kasi kanina may kausap kami, 41 years ang nag-work, dating deputy governor sa Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. May binabanggit siya, same with what you're saying now, the non-fundamental factors kung ba't tayo umabot sa ganito na 61.75 yung US dollar, all-time low, papi.
All-time low.
And posible pa bang umabot sa 62? We don't know yet. Tapos tinanong namin, anong pwedeng gawin ng gobyerno para, di ba, to stop all this from happening? Sinasabi niya dito is yung to impeach the impunity. Yung
Okay.
walang napapanagot.
Mhm.
Kasi yung reason kung bakit bumababa ng bumababa yung kumpiyansa
Peso,
ng investors
yeah.
natin dito sa Pilipinas is nakikita nila
Of
all
course.
this is happening.
Of course.
Na hindi, walang napapanagot sa flood control.
Mhm.
May impeachment issue. Right?
And-
Tapos yun nangyari sa Senate. So kung mababa na yung dollar
Trust,
ngayon, yung
ano
trust
pa?
confidence din ng mga
Wala,
investors natin, and this is happening nang walang napapanagot, sa tingin mo, tataas yung investors'
what's
confidence
sad?
sa nangyayari?
You know what's sad? The past issue will just be covered by another issue next week.
Si
It's
Saldi
just-
ko nga, di na pinag-uusapan. Ano nangyari
Yun na
sa
nga.
kanya?
That's what I'm gonna get to. There's an issue. We know it's an urgent matter. It's something na kailangan maayos ng Pilipinas. Pero hindi. May bagong kasyubisan na naman na nalalabas. Bagong kalokohan, like all these things. Alam mo yan, parang until when are we gonna learn?
I don't know.
When are we gonna learn?
Whose fault is this? I mean, is it us? I mean, like, we voted for these
Yun nga
people. I didn't vote for some of them,
Mhm.
right? Pero tayo kasi pumili nito. And there's a saying na, di ba, the government you elect is the government you deserve.
Mhm.
Pero what if di mo binoto? Pero
Correct.
damay pa rin tayo.
Correct.
Ay, hindi ko kayo tinatakot, pero ang sinasabi nga ng mga economist ngayon,
That's what I want to know. Where are we
ang
going?
sinasabi nila is, kung may trabaho ka, magsimula ka na mag-invest.
Sa labas ng Pilipinas?
Whether sa labas or dito sa Pilipinas. Basta
Kasi ako-
mag-invest ka na mag-invest.
Parang ako.
Sa labas na.
Oo.
Ayan ang ginagawa
Like
ng
me
ibang
and-
investors
Me
ngayon.
and Esa have already decided last year
You're
pa.
looking into options,
Last
into
year pa,
investing
sabi
in
ko-
other countries.
Sabi ko parang with the rate things are going, with the shit show that's happening, okay, may issue, may flood control, billions are being lost. May nangyari, wala. Are billions still being lost? Yes. We are aware of the issue. Yes. Is something happening? No.
So you're looking for options.
Yeah, we work hard for what we have, and talagang sa akin, ilabas na natin yung pera in a country that, alam mo yun, medyo mas, I feel that mas safe ng konti.
Sana all may ganyang option.
It's not even that hard.
But you worked hard for it and you deserve it.
It's not.
I
it's,
think a lot of Filipinos na nag-i-invest dito, slowly daw, pinupull out na nila yung mga investment nila dito and they're looking for options kung saan pwede mas mag-invest other than the Philippines.
everything's ang hirap ng manufacturing, ng business.
Lahat.
Hirap lahat.
Isipin mo na lang kung gaano ayoko man sabi, ka-effed up yung system natin. Papi, tayo na lang may rotational brownout sa buong ASEAN
Exactly
countries.
what I was saying.
Naalala mo nung mga bata tayo? Used to be
90s,
like 90s and
92 mga ganun, yes.
2000. Magba-brown out, minsan isang buong araw, sometimes 3 days. Na-experience namin.
Talaga, kailan?
Even yung bahay ni na Sir Ted, hindi nakalusot. Okay, last week sa amin 2 hours, nag-brown out. So, alam mo, umanap kami ng gas station na malapit. Pagdating namin, brown out din. Brown out din, tatambay sana kami sa Starbucks. Sina Sir Ted, 4 hours brown out. So like, lahat tayo na-experience natin to.
In this day and age, it's
digital
it's
age, I
20
know.
fucking 26.
I know,
And the
I
Philippines
know.
is still dealing with rotational brownouts. Don't you ever ask why?
May mga nagsasabi pa, it's gonna get worse dahil may El Nino.
Bakit?
I don't know. It's
Bakit?
just,
Ito pa rin. Ang issue natin noong 1992, pucha, ito pa rin issue natin 2026. So, if you're asking me kanina, parang, are you gonna invest elsewhere? Because, okay, I remember the times when the Philippines was, far more progressive than Thailand, Vietnam.
Yeah.
Bakit tayo napag-iwanan?
Bakit tayo
Kasi
nag-iwan ng gusto?
they are sucking the country dry. Kumbaga, may dalawang patak pa ng tubig dyan. Teka, kuhanin ko na rin yan. Wala talagang titira sa inyo.
Sila lang gumaganda buhay, no?
Sila lang gumaganda buhay, and imagine the money that they're making. They're also throwing outside the country. They're not spending it. They're spending it here. No. Meron 5 billion pesos. Malamang, wala na sa Pilipinas yan. Ang unang gagawin nila, ilabas yan ng bansa. Kasi, alam naman nila, they've created the system. The system is created to protect the powerful, to protect the people who are up there. Will it ever go around na, I don't think in our lifetime. I have accepted the fact na, I don't think in my
Pessimistic
lifetime,
ka na.
maybe
Wala
80 or 90 years old, naaabot pa sa point na, okay, baka may chance na maabutan ko yung magandang Pilipinas.
Sa stress natin dito sa Pilipinas, kung maswerte tayo kung aabot tayo ng 60, papi.
Correct. I don't think I'm even gonna live to see the day na, okay, wow, medyo umokay ah.
Pero ikaw, personally, hearing you now, I don't always hear you saying these things. Kasi usually si Papi, di ba, pag kayo sanay kayo sa akin eh. Rant ako lagi, halos madalas everyday sa nangyayari sa bansa.
I see your posts.
Where do you see the Philippines after 5 years or 10 years sa tingin mo ba?
Sad to say.
Is this gonna get better?
Okay.
Or
I'm
ba?
gonna ask another question based on your question, which I asked you also kanina na wala ka na sagot. Baka ngayon may sagot ka na. Do we have a better option? Do you see, let's say, sige, next elections, pasukin na natin to. Next elections, sino ang options natin? May name ka ba?
I have
hopes,
I have
yes.
someone in mind. Yeah.
Sana.
Oo.
Na sana, diba?
Oo.
But, do we really have options? What are we left with? It's always like, eto na lang boboto ko kasi ito yung lesser evil. Ito yung lesser evil. Wala ba tayong masasabi na, shit, boboto ko to.
Evil talaga.
Kasi, okay to. Ito yung gusto ko eh. Ito yung mag-aayos ng parang, sana naman at this point, with what's happening, this whole Netflix series we're watching on television, which is happening in real life, sana ma-realize na rin natin na, Diyos ko.
Just in, from GMA News, nilabas na ang CCTV. So kita sila, sumakay si Senator Bato, confirmed. Ngayon ang tanong, mapapanagot ba si Robin Padilla? Well, I asked actually an attorney.
Diba, sabi naman lang sama-sama.
Tinanong ko kasi di ba binigyan siya ng pardon?
Correct.
Ng pardon ni Duterte noong 2016.
Yes.
Pero absolute kasi yon. So, hindi na pwedeng ibalik yung kaso niya. Pero, someone can file an obstruction of justice. I don't know, harboring a fugitive. Hindi ko alam kung anong,
but that's
kung
not,
anong case ang pwedeng ikaso. Pero,
Dapat-
may mapapanagot ba? Pero
Dapat
sinasabi
meron.
kasi nila, hindi naman daw kasi pwede
fugitive.
naman daw, hindi fugitive
Correct.
si Bato. Pwede naman daw lumabas anytime. So yun po ang breaking news na by Friday nyo maririnig.
Oh man.
Pero papi, I
Yun
mean,
nga, so
going
once
back
again,
to
that's
what
adding
we're-
up to the shit show. Okay, so another senator is helping another senator escape. What are we doing? What are we doing here? Seriously, what? Guys, ano na? Ano na ginagawa natin? Ano, abangan ang susunod na kabanata? Abangan ang susunod na shootout? Na serye? Diba? And I'm sorry, this is gonna be fucked up and funny, but I don't care. But maybe it's what we deserve for
voting.
Gusto natin puro artista. Ayan. May show tayo ngayon. Di ba? Gusto natin puro artista. Ayan. Di ngayon, meron tayong comedy,
Hindi ko
action,
masisi
drama.
yung ibang bumoto sa kanila. Kasi wala silang proper education on how to choose the right leaders. You know why?
Because
There's a reason for that. No.
that way.
Because itong mga tao na to who are in power, they want the Filipinos to remain
Correct.
bobo and tanga.
Correct.
Kasi pag matatalino na yung mga yan, iboboto pa ba sila?
Exactly. If they understand what's happening.
So, sa akin, kung pakiramdam natin may mga kakilala tayo na ganun. Dati ang issue ko talaga, bobo, ang tanga.
Bakit
Ganun
yan?
eh.
Bakit
Bakit
yan?
yan? Ba't yan? Ngayon, baka dapat hindi ganun yung approach natin. Baka dapat let's educate them in a nice, malambing way. I don't know how to do it.
I hope somehow social media is getting or penetrating to that. I hope the youth is understanding that we are kawawa yung mga bata.
Alam mo, sabi nga nila, ang Gen Z daw yata ang baka may chance na baguhin ang napakapangit na sistema na meron ng
Which
Pilipinas.
they should because sila ang pinaka-apektado dito.
Hindi na po kami. Kayo na.
Oh, kasi tayo, we're done with the starting jobs and everything. Imagine you graduate from a good school and everything or even from any school, hindi ka na makakuha ng trabaho.
Or yung trabahong makukuha mo, hindi na maganda. Hindi na kagaya ng mga Ngayon nga, mahirap na eh. Mahirap na pumasok, maghanap ng trabaho na kung ano yung pinag-graduatean mo, dun ka mapapasok. Or kung meron man, baba nung sweldo.
We have
yung
created,
gap nung sweldo sa inflation, sa bilihin dito, hindi nag-a-add up.
Once again, we're not pointing fingers. We're not saying,
Yeah.
kayo tama, kayo mali. Binoto nyo
Kasi baka may
kayo
for
kayo
sure
may
may
kasalanan.
pagkakamali rin
Lahat
Kasi
tayo.
imbis na turuan natin sila or imbis na wag tayo mapagod, may mga times inaway natin. Alam mo yun? Ang kinalulungkot ko kasi dito, Papi, I think this is what they want. Na tayo talaga ay mag-away-away. Hiwa-hiwala yung mga Pilipino. Ang daming kulay.
Unit team, tapos after 2
May
years,
kakamping, may dilawan, unit team, Bongbong Marcos, Sara Duterte,
But
loyalista,
but
DDS.
with everything you're saying, sino ang nananalo? Who's getting the last
Silang
laugh?
lahat.
Exactly.
Pero sinong kawawa? Tayo, lalo na yung mga nasa pinakalaylayan. Siguro tayo, mas kaya pa nating tighten yung belt natin ng konti. Sabi nga, ngayon mas kailangan mag-ipon. Cash is king now. Now, yun ang sinasabi ng mga economists. Kung kayang wag magbumili ng mga unnecessary things, wag muna daw magbakasyon. May mga ganun pa sa utak ko naman. Sino lang magbabakasyon? Sila lang din magpapasarap. Tapos tayo, bawal na. So hanggat kaya daw natin magtipid. Pero sila doon, Papi, during the Senate lockdown, naka-buffet, nakita mo ba sa background?
Nakita ko.
Araw-araw naka-aircon. Tapos tayo magtitipid, pero
Tapos
sila
wala
masarap
akong kuryente.
po.
This is already a wake-up call for everyone.
Mm.
What's happening now, the past week, whatever. I don't even know what's gonna happen the next
And
few
where we're
days.
heading, right?
Where we're heading. That's a sad part.
True.
Parang these things already, it's 2026. We deserve so much better than all this bullshit that's happening in the country. And like I said, maybe we all have, a part to blame in what's happening now. But
So what should we do?
We can't let this go on forever.
What should we do?
Wala, we really have to wait for the next elections. But I hope it's really a wake-up call. Kung ikaw, you're still going through brownouts, ikaw, baha pa rin yung bahay mo hanggang ngayon, gising. Gising na kasi tama na until when? Until when are we gonna tolerate na ginagago? Parang relationship lang yan. Alam mong ginagago ka na lang. Alam mo eh.
Pero minamahal
Alam mo ginagago. Yes, mahal ko
pero
Pilipinas.
alam kaya
Yes.
talaga nila na ginagago tayo? Or talagang blinded
You
sila
know
and
what I
they
think?
feel like, hindi.
Maybe ito sa isip ko lang. Maybe the people who are trying to get by every day, let's say you're a jeepney driver, you're just trying to get by every day,
Minimum
which
wage
correct,
workers.
minimum wage, which means by morning kailangan lang, ang goal mo lang makapakain sa gabi sa family mo. Yun lang yun. Wala ka nang pakialam makaipon ako ng 100, 200 pesos. Ang importante, by tonight, may pagkain sa lamesa.
Yes, may kanin.
Correct. And how many Filipinos are
Are
living
like
in
that.
that situation? That's a lot. So, do you really care about politics? Maybe not. Maybe this is a laughing matter for them. Na parang, okay, si Bato, tumakas sa Pyrexit, mga AI, di ba? Whatever. Kumanta ng ano, national hymn, whatever.
Ng PNP.
Oh, basta yung karaoke niya.
PNA.
O yun. Anyway.
Hindi ka ba na-entertain?
Exactly. Pero my point is, yun nga, baka for them, it's just another day na, okay, another day of these guys doing their shit. But that's what we're talking about for the entire episode. Everything, what we don't realize that everything affects everything else. You're a jeepney driver trying to make a living, trying to put food on the table at night. You're being affected by this.
Alam mo,
Mayaman ka, nakatira ka sa Forbes, nagda-drive ka ng
apektado tayo lahat.
magandang kotse, naka-Ferrari ka. Same shit. Apektado ka rin ito. Every single citizen is affected by the shit show. And it's just gonna get worse if we do not shape up.
Pwera na lang kung Gog na apelido mo, no? At nagpaampong ka kay Sam
Put-
YG.
I wish! I wish!
Dinadaan na
My
lang natin
God.
to sa tawan to. Pero I have to agree with you, lahat tayo apektado. Lahat tayo nagtitipid. Lahat tayo
Economy's down?
Yeah, it is. And
Peso has no value?
well, the economists are saying it's gonna get worse. Ayaw man namin kayong takutin, pero yun ang sinasabi nila.
I was talking to Esa about that also. Sabi ko, mukhang ano na tayo. At least change your money to dollars. Sabi ko, if you don't, it's not to make money. It's not even to make money.
Just keep it.
Keep it safe.
Oo,
Just to
yeah,
keep it.
just keep
At
it.
least yung dollar medyo yung value magre-retain, hindi bababa yan.
Oo, nandyan lang siya.
Wala naman akong balak kung mag 70 pesos yan. Okay, good na lang yun. Kumita ang konti.
Oo.
Pero actually, ang gusto ko lang mangyari, stable yung pera ko. Alam ko na makakatulog ako, nandiyan pa yung pera ko.
Maswerte yung iba na ganyan, na iniisip saan mag-i-invest. Pero I have to agree with you yung kanina, ang ibang iniisip lang, may kakainin ba kami ngayong araw?
Yes.
And a
And
lot of Filipinos are like that.
yes, and that's why they probably don't put so much weight on what's happening.
Yun
Is because
din.
they're busy with, which you have to
With
understand.
working.
Yes, they're busy with putting that meal at the end of the day on the table
Kaya di
for the
rin,
family.
yeah, kaya hindi rin natin masisi yung iba kung ba't parang wala nang pake sa nangyayari sa bansa. Hindi naman. Gusto naman magkakapake. It's just that mas inuuna nila yung pamilya nilang pakainin.
Mm.
Alam mo kanina nung binabanggit mo, bumoto tayo ng mga artista. Kaya yan, shit show. Di ba? May teleserye
Yeah, may
tayo ngayon
showbiz
sa
tayo.
Senado.
Yeah, may showbiz
Pero
tayo
papi,
ngayon,
if you think of it, meron din tayong mga nakaupo dyan na ang tatagal na dyan, mga lawmakers talaga, ang ganda ng degree, ang ganda ng mga pinanggalingang school, pero ginagago din naman tayo ah. Tama, mali.
Yes, because
May pinag-aralan pagdating sa, ang taas ng pinag-aralan, dito yung iniisip ko kanina while you're explaining that. Merong politiko na wala masyadong pinag-aralan, sabihin na natin na okay nanalo dahil sikat or dahil, alam mo na yung parang
may poll, yeah.
may
Whatever.
pangalan
Oh.
eh. Pero meron din dyan nanalo dahil sabihin mo na yung background ito, talagang bongga. Pero di ba meron nga dyan, ginagago rin naman niya tayo ah.
Mhm.
I mean, I'm not gonna name names, but I think you know those people.
Mhm.
Sangkot sa flood control issue, sangkot sa nakawan and all that. Ang gaganda naman ng degree nitong mga to. Yung iba nga nag-aral pa sa ibang bansa eh.
Mhm.
So, saan pa tayo lulugar? Pagka walang background sa politika, ginagago tayo. Pag merong background, ginagago pa rin tayo. I mean, what's next for our country? Saan tayo? Sino
And-
pipiliin natin dyan, mga B?
And at this point, I think to also, wrap it up, hindi na rin pwedeng wala kang pakialam.
Hindi pwede yan.
I think we've come to the point na hindi pwedeng wala kang pakialam. Ano, may pakialam ka sa nangyayari sa tao dito sa favorite singer mo, artista mo, pero wala kang pakialam sa nangyayari sa politics. We have come to a point where it's already getting, sabi mo kanina, nakakahiya na.
Pero
sa ibang
papi,
bansa,
meron pa rin
pinag-uusapan
mga-
tayo. It's getting sick.
Yeah.
It's getting kadiri.
Pero not in a good way.
Oo, kadiri na tignan. Parang outside looking in, parang, these guys, parang diba, yung sa tanong mo, what do other countries look at us now?
Yung napapailing ka na lang, ano?
How do they look at us now? Do you think, it's something we can be proud of as Filipinos that, diba, na parang, okay, ito na yung tingin sa atin eh. Diba, before it gets too late, we're parang laughing stock na nga lang tayo eh. Nagtatawanan lang tayo.
Ayoko rin maging pessimistic, pero alam mo, sa 2028, come next election, dami na namang tatakbo. May mga ngako na naman sa atin ng kung ano-anong pagbabago. Pipili tayo na may magandang track record. Or yung iba, pipiliin nyo yung sikat or kaanib sa kung saan man kayong community, di ba?
Mhm.
Tapos uupo sila lahat. And then hindi natin sure kung ano na naman mangyayari. Yung ba mga pinangako nyo during the election, gagawin nyo ba lahat yan?
And who's checking?
Or are we gonna end up in the same shit where we are right now?
And who is checking? That's what I want. That's a bigger question.
But I have to agree with you. Baka dapat ngayon lahat tayo hindi pwedeng walang pake. Ngayon pinagtatalunan sa social media kasi there are still influencers and celebrities who doesn't speak about this issue. What's your thought on that?
Ako, I'm pretty much vocal about my political standpoint. Kasi
Even
nga,
before.
what are you
Well, it
telling
doesn't
me?
have to be every day, but at least alam ng tao na may sinasabi ka about this issue na pinag-uusapan natin.
Pupuri mo
ito.
yung favorite bag shoes mo pero yung nangyayari sa bansa mo hindi mo pag-usapan kasi gusto mong maging safe. Until when are you gonna be safe?
Or meron naman daw silang mga contracts na iniingatan. Ano ba? Kailangan ba natin silang intindihin na ganito nakagulo yung Pilipinas pero tahimik pa rin sila?
It'll boil down, I think, to your morals and your values. What you stand for.
Yeah.
Diba?
Na okay lang sa'yo to.
Oh,
Kasi if you
exactly.
there's no neutral in this issue.
Correct.
Kapag hindi ka nagsalita, umaanib ka sa impunity. Yun ang
And it's
sinasabi.
gonna
Umaanib ka sa mga
And
corrupt.
believe me, it is gonna get to you. Tingin mo, hindi ka nagsasalita? Oh, ayoko magsalita kasi neutral ako. Trust me, maybe for a few months, yes, it's gonna be okay. But like I said, we're all in this ship together. Trust me.
It's sinking.
It's sinking. The ship is sinking. You don't wanna talk? Ayaw mo sabihin, uy, medyo may butas na dito. Mapasok na yung tubig. Ayaw magsalita? Sige, pwedeng tamahimik ka for a few months. But all this shit will catch up to us. It is already catching up to us. It is just how bad it's gonna get.
May pag-asa pa ba tong barko na to na hindi lumubog? Kasi 2 years pa before the election.
And you think pagka-election, instant?
Mababago na.
Hindi rin naman.
So ano ba, Papi? May pag-asa pa ba itong barko na sinasakyan ng mga Pilipino?
For me, feeling ko, baka not in our lifetime. Sad to
That
say.
is so sad.
Feeling ko lang but maybe you have a better,
Makes me so emo, yeah.
maybe
Pero
you have a
baka nga hindi.
better view, better
No.
outlook. I love the Philippines. People know that. Nagpa-convert nga ako to Filipino citizen in 2010.
Oh.
Diba? That's how
Dual
much
yan, ah.
that's
Oh.
how much I
Oh.
love this country.
Yeah.
It has given me so much and I love giving also so much to this country, but I just hate seeing what's happening. I hate it. Filipinos we are such a beautiful race. Kind-hearted, malambing, wala kang pagkain, offer ka pa, kain ka. Pero inaabuso. Ito yung classic example na sa sobrang bait, ginagago ka na. Ito yung classic example. Alam mo, sa relationship, parang mabait tong ano ko,
Dalawa yan.
jowa ko.
Mabait. Sa sobrang bait at tanga, ginagago ka na.
Kasi alam mong, sige na nga, forgive na lang, next time na lang, ayusin natin. Until when? Until when are we gonna take this bullshit?
Baka nga tama si Papi, pero sana hindi. Na baka hindi sa lifetime nating mga titos at
I
tita.
hope not.
ng
Alam mo,
millennial.
I'll
Ako din,
I'll
yun
be
yung sinasabi
super
ko
happy, of course, if
Sana mali kami.
sana mali tayo. Oh.
Sana sa lifetime natin, makita natin yung maayos yung Pilipinas. Yung, alam mo yun, gigising ka, hindi ka stress papunta sa work kasi merong maayos na transportation. Yung pag-weekend, tatakbo si Esa. Ang lapit lang nung park, maraming park na pwede pagpilian. Hindi yung tatakbo siya na anytime pwede siya mahagip ng sasakyan.
True.
Diba? Yung gigising ka, na magtatrabaho ka, alam mo, well-paid ka.
Which was the Philippines before. It was the Philippines before.
What happened? What
Yeah.
happened?
They just sucked the country dry. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this
Yeah.
issue. Of course, we've been talking so much. Maybe yung galit namin. Sorry,
Pero huwag tayo
medyo.
masyadong hopeless.
Yes,
Alam
of
mo,
course.
pessimistic na kami, pero may sign pa rin na iniisip natin, there's still hope.
Correct.
Baka
There's
meron pa
always-
rin mabago. Kasi baka yun yung gusto rin nga nila. Mawalan tayo ng pag-asa para wala nang lalaban against corruption and all this shit. So, kahit gaano kaliit or katiting na yung pag-asa natin, let's hope onto that. Hindi pwedeng wala. Hindi pwedeng wala.
like with anything in life, miracles happen.
Yes,
Diba?
Lord. Minsan parang yun na lang yata kailangan.
Minsan,
Lord, pwede po,
eto na lang.
sabay-sabay niyo po silang kunin. Ayaw man namin, pero sabay-sabay po silang kainin ng lupa. Now na po. Masama yung
diba?
iniisip natin, pero baka yun na lang.
Iniisip ko nga minsan, diba, there's a saying that goes, sometimes you just have to experience the lowest of the low
Before reaching
Kasi
the top.
when you're at rock bottom, wala ka na ibababa.
And this is the lowest of
Sana,
the low ng Pinas.
sana naman.
May ilolow pa ba to?
Pinagtatawa na tayo, guys. Tapos, yun nga, everything's a shit show. Like, I hope this is like the lowest point. Yun na lang.
Sana
Is
hanggang dito na
there
lang.
hope? I just hope this is already the lowest point. Sana wala na tayong ibababa dito. Yun na lang. If it gets better, shit, ang saya. Pero sana wag na tayo bumaba kung nasaan pa tayo ngayon. Ito na sana yung rock bottom natin. Yun na lang.
Lagi nating nare-relate sa pag-ibig yung mga sinasabi natin about politics because since this is lecheng pag-ibig to, siguro sa susunod na eleksyon kung gaano tayo katindi maghanap, yung qualifications natin sa paghahanap ng
Standards,
loved ones,
the
standards
standards.
natin sa paghahanap ng makakasama sa habang buhay, ng jowa. Sana ganun din kataas yung standards natin pagkapipili
choosing.
tayo ng mga leader ng bansa.
Correct. And that will start with self-love. That starts with self-love.
Kung alam mo kung ano yung deserve mo na ikaw Pilipino, hindi mo deserve to.
Mhm.
Hindi mo deserve ng rotational brownout, hindi mo deserve ng matraffic na kalsada, hindi mo deserve ng baha.
Yep.
Hindi mo deserve ng mga corrupt na politiko.
Because you pay your taxes, you're doing your civic, your duty as a citizen, you're doing it properly, so you also deserve to be treated well.
Yeah.
So it all boils down to self-love. Same with
Ganda.
any relationship.
Ganda nung sinabi mo.
Diba?
Yeah.
You love yourself, we love our country, we love ourselves, and we know we deserve better.
Dapat alam natin ano deserve natin.
Well, we hope may nakuha kayo sa episode na to. I know it's a lot of rants, but if you're mad, we are mad also, and we are
Sabi nga
so
nila, papi, kung di ka pagalit, bakit?
Bakit? True.
Oh.
Pero medyo magpaka-relax muna tayo konti.
Oo.
We have our
Oh,
very
yeah.
good friends.
Yes, we have a guest today.
Oo.
Ito, pangtanggal talaga ng stress to, pampapawis.
Correct. Na yun na lang ginagawa ko na rin. Pampatagal ng stress to get my mind off things, which I think we all need right now, especially with the surge of the fitness era.
Oh, I know, right?
Meron silang special event coming up. So we're gonna get them in. Tapos pakinggan natin yung event nila.
Yan.
We have our friends from the Hybrid Games.
Ito na ba sasagip sa korupsyon sa Pilipinas?
Malalaman natin. Baka yung
Oo.
mga senator may sumali dito.
Senatoriables ba ito? Tsaka mga
Oo.
congressman levels?
Happening May 30, 31. Guys, Mags, Pau, we have Ben, we have Coach Gab. Mga tunay na mga mga
Kita
bad
mo,
boy.
alam mo kahit yung, ito nga kahit naka-jacket, alam ko na mamuscle.
Hindi nga nag-short
Muscle
sa'yo.
man eh.
Para kita mo, nahiya nga. Yung potato corner lumalabas eh.
Oo.
hindi sponsor ang potato corner dito ha, mind you ha.
Nawala na tuloy kami
Kita mo.
lahat sa potato corner. Pero una muna, ano meron on May 31?
Yeah.
So yun, we're doing the leg 2 of the Bench Hybrid Games. It's gonna be held in the Bench Tower sa BGC.
Nice.
Ano to? Ano to nung hybrid
Tell us
games?
about it. What is hybrid?
Ano nangyayari
ano ba
dyan
yan?
sa hybrid
Well,
games?
the hybrid games concept kasi, it's not really isa lang na like
Workout, hindi siyang workout.
Merong 8 workstations, diba?
Okay.
Leg 1 may iba kami workstation.
Mhm.
Leg 2 iba na siya. We adapt depende. There's a mix of a little CrossFit,
Oo.
a little yan.
Tas may running in
functional
between.
training,
Oo.
everything. Hindi siya naka-restrict lang sa one discipline.
So ano yung mga discipline? Pwede ba natin run through para lang alam natin?
Our
Baka,
leg 2, para lang may sample,
Oh.
malupit yung first station namin. 3 kilometer na bike erg. So have to
Okay.
finish 3 kilometer. After that,
Bike erg ba ito yung parang assault bike?
Hindi, iba. Bike lang talaga siya.
Bike and
you have to finish the 3 kilometer.
Air bike, oh.
And then tsaka katatakbo ng 200 meters.
Okay.
And then next station ulit.
Ano next nun?
The next station would be
Sled
sled
push
and drag
drag.
naman.
Okay.
The
Magdadrag
Gano'ng
pa.
kabigat na sled push yan?
150 kg.
Okay.
Tapos gano'ng karaming drugs? Drag.
Iba
Ila
tayo.
drag.
Nako.
Walang drugs dito.
Sa umaga tayo niyan.
Okay,
Umaga
okay,
yung
oh.
hybrid
Tapos,
games.
ano pagkatapos nun? So pull and push.
Pull and push.
And then?
Ayan. And then the race
What to expect?
director.
Oo.
So after nun,
Mike.
Yan.
so we have 7 stations.
Okay.
So in between may run 200 meters.
Okay.
So first station yun nga yung bike erg,
Uh-huh.
then sled push and sled drag.
Uh-huh.
Then meron tayong weighted step ups, back step ups.
Mm.
Okay.
Tapos may lunges, sandbag lunges.
Ayan.
Meron
Solid,
tayong
solid.
burpee broad jump,
Ano?
burpee, broad
Burpees.
jump,
Burpees. Like,
burpees plus jump
Yan.
forward.
Okay.
Tapos wall ball shots, yung
Oh,
pinakahuli.
Ayun ang huli.
Yun yung paborito
Like
ng
ilang
lahat.
kilong
Favorite ng-
ball to?
14
Um,
pounds. 14 pounds.
14 pounds. Yeah.
50
Mga
reps.
For men, for women.
Iba kasi yung weight ng men. Women.
Around 8 pounds.
Solo.
Yung mic ni ano.
Oo. Pero solo ba to or pwede with
Oo nga.
partner?
Sa ngayon, solo muna lahat.
Okay, okay.
Oh, wala pang relay.
Well, for sa bigger event, we can do the relay na.
Okay.
The duo.
So is there a specific time na kailangan matapos mo yon?
Wala naman.
So for
right
ano
now,
talaga siya,
naman
beginners?
kami. Open pa rin kami.
So 8 hours ginagawa ko yun, okay lang sa
pwede
inyo?
naman, para sa'yo. Well,
Walong
the
oras
fun of
eh,
this
no?
event kasi
Ano
is
yung
for
fun? Hindi ko makita yung fun para
it's-
sakit
it's
eh.
for
Ano may
May
fun?
DJ. May DJ. Oh.
Ah,
The Val Brothers.
may alak
Sino?
sa
Sino ang
dulo.
DJ?
The Val Brothers.
Okay na
Oo.
ba? Naku, mga
Tapos
delikado.
May host tayo. Yan. pagkatapos.
Sino host
May
natin
hype
dyan?
man.
May mga hype man tayo.
Okay.
Hype man.
And,
Para siyang isang fun event, may mga booths din ng mga sponsors, and then may mga activities din. And then around, you can buy yung mga merch.
Merch.
Bench Active. And then meron din siyang cafe. Parang it's a
So-
community-based event.
nice.
Hybrid, for hybrid athletes na gusto i-try ito or gusto magpaka-hybrid athlete,
Oo
ito
nga.
yung magandang pang
This is a
beginner
parang
talaga.
Mag-gauge mo kung
Kaya mo na.
Kung gusto ba mag-step up pa ba?
Oo.
O hindi pala para sa akin. to.
Oh, wow.
Ganun.
that's
Kasi wala pa naman time
nice.
limit and
Oo,
everything.
so
Para
no pressure.
pwede mag-enjoy ka
Kung
muna.
medyo di mo natapos, mapapaisip ka sa sarili mo, parang
Hindi
I
para
need
sa
more
akin
training
to.
pa siguro. Kasi sa amin medyo parang entry pa lang kami.
Ito
Oo.
ba maganda pag single ka, pag may love
Broken
life?
heart.
Kasi tatanong ko lang.
Ganda, ganda.
Yung mental state mo eh, di ba? Siyempre, kailangan
Minsan
maisip
masabay
natin
yung
yan.
mga broken eh.
Mas
Yun nga,
okay.
galit ka eh.
Mas okay yung face pag broken hearted?
Galit ka
Papansin ko
eh.
yung mga top 10 para medyo iba eh.
Doon mo ilabas yung ano mo, yung mga wall ball
Mas
mo.
thriving ang mga broken hearted dito. Pero I have a question for coach. Yung mga ganito for beginners na gusto maging hybrid athlete, gaano katagal dapat yung paghahanda for that?
So ito, for example, itong bench hybrid games, siguro 1 to 2 months is okay kasi since the runs are relatively short.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tapos wala naman cut-off.
Oo.
And then yung stations, binawasan din namin yung intensity and weight compared to the bigger races.
Oo.
In which, from 0, you need to train a minimum of 3 months.
Mm.
So this is a good stepping stone for beginners, yung mga gusto mag-try,
Mhm.
to go to the international stage.
Oo, kung gusto na nila. Oo.
Ito, question for baka other Lechanatics who are not really athletic. Hindi sila nagsisports or anything. Is it safe
To
to
join?
join as their first sporting event?
That's good. Good question.
Let's say come
Yeah.
from zero ko, kaya pa-run ka na ng mga 5K, on a weekend, gano'n. Very
Sabihin mo
casual.
na si Chacha. Si
Hindi,
Chacha to.
ay, nakikita kita. Girl, don't ask ha. Don't ask. We see your
Yung mga
workouts.
pabuhat-buhat lang tsaka gusto mag-workout pag gusto, pag ayaw,
We
ayaw
see
na.
your workouts. Don't ask.
Actually, last event, may a few kami nakita na
Mga beauty queens.
Okay.
Tapos,
Beauty queens.
Hindi sila...
Hindi to mga hardcore athletes
Hindi.
talaga pero
Yeah.
natapos.
Surprise
Gaano
kami.
katagal?
Okay.
Siguro, kasi yung target namin from the last race, kuwari sila Coach Gab, 20 minutes elite.
Hindi, wag siya. Wag siya.
my God.
Wag mo ibahin natin
Yun
to.
yung basehan
pare.
namin eh.
20
Yun yung basehan.
minutes.
20 minutes.
Average people, siguro yung mga nag-workout lang, mga 30 minutes to
Okay,
35.
not bad, not bad.
Tapos meron sigurong mga 45 minutes.
Pag
Yung mga
super
nag-enjoy
beginner.
lang.
Yeah, nag-e-enjoy
Lalakad.
So yun yung pinakamatagal, 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Para naglakad ka lang, hindi mo tinakbo yung ano.
Oo.
Let's
200.
talk about outfits. For those who are joining, should you, ano ba suot dyan?
What to wear?
Dapat ba, naka-topless?
Dapat ba
Pwede
naka-shorts ng
naka-t-shirt?
ganito,
Oo.
gaya ni Coach?
Well, potato shorts, ano ba?
Natin, shoutout kay Bench Active.
Okay.
Maganda yung
that's
pag-sunod mo yung Bench
nice.
Active.
Okay, okay.
Yung performance mo para medyo nagpa-plus.
Bibilis ka na konti.
Nakakaganda ng pace yung bench active.
Nakakabilis,
Kailangan ko
nakakabilis
masubukan
na.
yung bench active na yan.
Baka naman
Oo.
ma-experience natin.
Baka
yan.
naman may dala ka pang GC
Kaya
dyan,
nga,
Coach.
oo. Nakatago yung GC. Natin
Oo.
kung saan yung GC
Pero
dyan.
I didn't know na may bench
Ah,
active na. Ang
yan
ganda
nga.
ng logo. Is
Logo,
Yes,
same.
that
yes.
bench active
Yes.
yan? Ganda.
That's what
Wow,
we're
that's nice.
trying to do. The concept kasi is support local.
Oh yeah,
Kasi wala,
dapat.
kasi I don't want to name brands, pero wala pa tayo nakukuha ang brand na we can represent
Hindi, bash
international.
natin. May, joke. I don't wanna name ba? Hindi, bash
Ay,
natin.
Pero I have to agree with
Pero
you.
ba-
Alam mo, sakit ng mga Pinoy yan.
Yan,
Ang
diba?
hilig natin sa international brands. Hindi
Lalabas
tayo gaya
tayo.
ng mga Korean. Support local
Diba?
muna.
Yun
Sir,
lang naman.
sir, nagsasalita ka ba? Kaya mo to,
Oo
sir?
nga, oo nga. Sayang yung muscles mo, pare, magsalita ka.
Sir!
Yung
Kasama
muscles
yan.
mo.
Tsaka yung pagkaka-close namin
Kaya
talaga.
nga, yun nga.
Nakakawa ako sa legs.
Makakita niya eh. Oh.
Well, for our 2-day
Ayun
event,
na,
don't
ayun.
forget to drop by. There's discounts, special discounts for those 2 days
Okay.
for Bench Active.
Okay.
Let's talk about registration. How are Lechanatics joining for this?
You go to the Bench website
Yeah.
and then dun sa Bench Active na link, mayroon pa kaming few slots left.
Okay. More or
you
less,
can-
how many are we looking at for this coming May 30, 31.
400 participants.
Per day.
400.
Per day is 200.
Wow.
200 per day. So,
200.
medyo
And then-
controlled, very controlled siya.
Yes, and then labas, well, ano din yung mga celebrities and KOLs.
Correct.
Sino
And then,
celebrities ang magjo-join and the influencers?
Right now, ang nakuha natin sila Nico Bolsico.
Okay.
Oh,
Mga
Nico
talagang
Bolsico.
ano pa rin. Sila beef pa rin.
Mag-t-shirt pa siya, mag-t-shirt siya,
Mag-t-shirt.
no? Mag-t-shirt siya sana.
Oo.
Si Nico. Kasi nababad trip ako eh. Hindi, mag-work
Ganun ka rin naman eh. Humble ka lang.
Nandun ako para
Ayaw mo lang
mag-workout.
pakita,
Tatanggal
eh.
siya ng t-shirt. I don't care about your abs.
Nagbabalik sabi ni Bench, gusto niya i-try ni Gwen Zamora.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Ito-try daw niya since babalik siya sa
Getting fitness
fitness.
niya.
And yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, every age, kahit
Nice.
bata, matanda.
Oh yeah, minimum age.
Do it.
Sorry, before we forget.
No, kahit ano.
Kahit ano.
Kahit senior
Kahit
citizen
bagets,
pwede.
pwede.
18 onwards, 18.
18
Siyempre,
onwards,
of course,
okay.
18. May last leg, mayroon tuwak pa ng mga 55-year-old.
Can I just ask, are you all hybrid athletes?
Consider ba natin sarili natin? It depends how you,
Coach, paano ba pag hybrid athletes? Sobrang like, I mean, hindi ko sabing uso, matagal naman ng may CrossFit,
Correct.
right?
Oo.
Pero kasi, bakit ang sinasabi nila pinaka-okay daw maging hybrid athlete?
Kasi parang nanglalabas, parang all around ka eh. So, meron kang endurance, tas malakas ka din magbuhat. Ganun yung nangyayari. Pero,
so, dapat ngayon,
honestly,
Dapat tayo.
At magaganda daw katawan ng mga hybrid athletes,
Totoo
ang
ba?
balita ko.
Hindi ko lang sure eh.
Pakita nga.
Hindi kita mo ng mga t-shirt. Lahat sila. Ito mo naman tayo.
Kasi hindi ko masyadong sure kung katawan ba yan or ang ganda ng bench active. Yung kasi.
Yung
oo.
fitting.
Pero sa
Yes.
totoo lang naman, yung hybrid athlete na term, dati pa yan lumabas nung nagsimula yung Spartan race.
Yes.
oo.
Tama.
Kasi nga, doon, di ba,
Right.
may running, tapos may mga buhat, may mga obstacles. Nandun ngayon lang medyo sumikat ng konti.
Saka yun yung medyo, di ba, putik-putikan, di ba?
Yeah, oo.
May dinate ako dati.
Na doon sa may...
Spinartan ko. Delete mo yun.
Kaya pala naghiwalay kayo ha. Tatanong ko kung sino yung ini-Spartan mo. Pero
Spinartan.
yun nga rin, and aside from that, I think kaya siya sumisikat. Kita mo ngayon yung ganda ng katawan ng mga hybrid
Yeah,
athletes.
totoo yan.
And the challenge, I don't think preparing, correct me if I'm wrong, coach, preparing for it on like a super marathon or like it's a
Ito pwede.
triathlon. na
Kailangan ng strength.
Months and months and months. Ito parang shorter
Yeah.
time to prepare.
Kasi ang workout mo per day, kayang less than 1 hour a day is
Sarap,
okay.
20 minutes
Yeah.
lang kaya.
Pwede rin.
Oo.
Oo.
Pero,
Pero
pwede ka magawa, right?
yung marathon kasi,
Realistic.
medyo matrabaho yan.
Iba siya. Pinakamahirap
Oo.
sa lahat.
Honestly, yan ang pinakamahirap sa lahat na i-train. Kasi it's full of running.
True.
Compared to a triathlon, you can separate
May shifting ka
the
pa.
mileage to bike, swim, and run.
Tsaka di ka
Mas
mabubore
enjoyable.
kasi iba-iba
Oo.
yung ginagawa mo.
Iba
But
yung
with
mileage pag
running-
marathon.
Yung asawa ko parang 3 weeks kong hindi nakakausap.
Ako, si Mike.
Ganun din.
Oo, pareho. Yung dalawang asawa namin.
See
May
you
maras
soon,
din sila
babe.
pareho, eh.
See you soon.
So far, kami pa naman.
Kami pa naman, hindi na kami nag-uusap, no? Yeah, she's training also for a
For
marathon.
Sydney.
Oo. But we are giving away a few slots for
Yan.
this coming race.
May 31.
May 30 and 31. We're gonna let you guys know. So follow us on Lecheng Pag-ibig To's Instagram account and social media accounts. We're gonna give away a few slots. I think we have 5 slots na pwede natin pamigay. So we're gonna see you guys at the race this weekend.
Invite them, guys.
One more
Invite
time.
them.
Invite them, Max.
We'd like
Sir.
Max,
we would like to invite everyone
Ano, pang-congressman yung katawan nito
to
eh.
join
Oo,
Bench.
eh.
Founder.
Mahihayin si Sir eh. Ay, dito pala tayo dapat promote.
Magkano ka talaga,
Pero
Rafael?
walang ganggang ng loob ko sa'yo.
diba?
Yes, Funder.
Founder, say something.
Well, we would like to invite everyone on May 30 and 31 to join. If you weren't able to register, you can also drop by and check out our
The
event.
place for the next event.
And you can also avail their special discounts under Bench Active. In their
As
booth.
early as now, pwede na ba mag-register for the October event?
Not really.
Not
Wala
yet.
pa, wala
Okay.
pa naman.
Mhm.
But soon we'll announce then.
So again, May 30
Yeah.
and 31.
See you guys. Congratulations in
Thank you,
advance, and
thank
we're gonna
you,
see
thank
you at bench
Something yata sama.
30,
Ay, oo,
31.
sasali to. Hello. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, hindi lang nagta-top list to. Pero kasing katawan ni Coach.
Malakas ako. May iba bang Bombay na sasali?
Ikaw.
Wala. Delete mo na sila lahat. Ang bahala dyan. Thank you guys for joining us for Lecheng Pag-ibig To. We hope you enjoyed this episode. My name is Sam YG.
And this is
Be
Chacha.
safe. Be good. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.